Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your IOTA, your Shimmer trading informant. So a lot of people are asking me, Biti, I am a millionaire now. I have milliards, billions of Shimmer. I am a millionaire now. We will check this in this update. I will answer your question. Let's start this one now. System activated. So it is a little bit complicated, but I will try to keep it simple. Here is one interesting stuff from Navin Ramachandran. He is writing here for the people asking about how much they have lost by the denomination change. The answer is nothing. What does it mean? We all started staking IOTA in December, I think it was December, and they told us, okay, we will become billions of Shimmer for our IOTAs. Now, guys, they made something. They made the number here, you can see it. Also, your number of Shimmer is lower. The total number is also proportionally lower. What does it mean? Guys? Again, I will show you this one here. To repeat, the percentage of the total did not change. We reduced the total supply of SMRs by a factor of 1 million. So if you are staking, or if you staked IOTA and you become millions of Shimmer, it does mean 1 million Shimmer is now 1 Shimmer. So, but also added decimal units so that 1 million glows is 1 SMR. Similar to Bitcoin. You know it, guys? Bitcoin, the little thing of a Bitcoin is a Satoshi. The same thing is on Shimmer. The little thing of a Shimmer is a glow. And you can see it here. 1 million glow is 1 Shimmer. So they reduced it. But the main thing, this one, the Shimmer Genesis supply, is also reduced. So you can see 1.8 billion Shimmer is the Genesis supply. And you can see 80% of this have the IOTA stakers, like you and me, 1.4 billion. And you can see 10% is on the Shimmer community, treasury, 181 million. And you can see also 10% is in the Tangle Ecosystem Association TEA, 181 million SMR. So once again, if you have staked Shimmer and you had 1 million, you have now 1 Shimmer. And 1 Shimmer was yesterday at the start of the Shimmer party launching. It was a little party, but yesterday it started, and yesterday it was 10 cents per Shimmer. It doesn't mean, it doesn't matter if it is $1, it doesn't mean if it is a euro, they are for the moment still the same. So for 1 Shimmer, you will become now 10 cents. So you are, sorry to tell you this one, not a millionaire. And yes, of course, there are some bad things out there. Some people are really angry about this. You can see it here also. Quantic is writing, Shimmer denominated the promised IOTA staking rewards by 1 million times. They did a wonderful job on predicting the supply. They covered up all these changes, but not even tweeting about them. The official tweet account of Shimmer only tweets the good news. So yes, of course, there is a really big bad thing out there on Twitter, and a lot of people are angry about this. A lot of people thought they are now millionaire, but they aren't. And yes, it's not a good stuff to make this one. I think that Shimmer or that IOTA is not really good in communication with the community. But okay, it is like this. You can see it. 1 million glow is 1 SMR. And the 1 SMR is now for the moment not 10 cents. It was yesterday. It's going down a little bit. I think a lot of people sold their Shimmer, because you can see on Binance is listening Shimmer now, and you can see the start price from Shimmer was here about 1.05. It's going down really hard, 0.03, sorry. 5 cents was the start price, 3 cents today in the morning, and now it is up, going up again, 5 cents for the moment. So today, for the moment, the Shimmer price is 5 cents, and you can see it also here on Sooniverse. You will become for 1 IOTA, for 1 IOTA, 4.72 Shimmer. You can see it here also. So that is the big thing. Sorry to tell you this one, guys. You are not a millionaire. A lot of people ask me, is is it real, Biti? I am a millionaire now. No, I have to tell you, sorry about this. You are not a millionaire. Here, George asked me about this. He had 1.5 billion Shimmer. I'm a millionaire now. I have 86 million euro now. Okay, no, sorry to tell you this one. It isn't. Please read about this one on the internet. You can see it here also. Why you are not a millionaire, why they changed this one here, and all this stuff. I hope I can explain this here in my bad English to you guys. I have a really good video in German out there. I can explain it better in German, but I give my best to give you this English information because a lot of guys ask me, please, Biti, keep us updated in English also, because there are so less news here in English. In German there are more news, but in English there are not so much news. And this is it. This is my update for Shimmer in English. So where can you buy Shimmer? Where can you sell Shimmer? Where can you see this one? You can see it for the moment here on Sooniverse. You can buy it here. You can sell it here. Shimmer will follow soon in Binance because they listed it, this one here. But guys, attention, this coin is not listed on Binance for trade and service. It's just the listing here on Binance. And I think a lot of wallets will follow soon where you can buy and sell Shimmer. One of this one is IOTA B, but I don't know a lot of this one, but I saw that you can on the pool, if you're clicking on pool, that you can see here IOTA versus Shimmer, and you can see here for the moment one IOTA is 4.2 Shimmer. Yesterday it was a really better stuff, about 3, so Shimmer is going down a little bit. Okay, guys, that's it. I will keep you updated. If you would like this one, please write it in the comments. If you would like to hear more English updates about IOTA, about Shimmer, please write it in the comments. I will make this for you. Guys, that's it. That's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your IOTA trading informant, your Shimmer trading informant. I keep you updated. If you would like this one, please let me know, leave me a thumbs to the upside, and leave me a nice comment. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti.
System activated.